Stop buying the wrong high-end robot vacuum. In 2026, the most expensive model is almost never the best one. The smartest buys are the ones that deliver 95% of the flagship features for a fraction of the price. And today, I'm showing you the 5 best budget high-end robots that prove it. And you're going to want to stick around, because my number one pick isn't the one all the other reviewers are talking about. It has a self-cleaning dock that is so advanced, it makes 99% of other robots look like toys. Let's kick things off with our number 5 spot, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark has mastered the art of raw vacuuming power. This thing has incredible suction that pulls deep-seated dust and pet hair out of carpets you thought were clean. Its grid-based navigation is methodical and efficient, ensuring it covers your entire floor plan without aimlessly bumping around. This is the perfect robot for anyone with mostly carpets, multiple pets, and a focus on powerful, reliable vacuuming above all else. If you want a deep clean for your rugs, this is your starting point. But here's the honest flaw: its mopping is basic. It's more of a light wipe down than a deep scrub. It gets the job done for surface-level dust, but it won't be tackling dried-on kitchen spills. While the Shark is a vacuuming powerhouse, what if your biggest fear isn't dust bunnies, but what your new puppy might leave behind? That's where our next robot, coming in at number 4, absolutely shines, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Roomba's biggest flex is its intelligence. Its front-facing camera and AI are still the undisputed champions at identifying and avoiding obstacles. We're talking cords, socks, and yes, the dreaded pet waste. Their POOP guarantee, or pet owner official promise, is not a gimmick. It works. This is, without a doubt, the robot for pet owners and people with busy, slightly chaotic homes. If you can't guarantee your floor will be perfectly clear before a clean, the J7 Plus gives you priceless peace of mind. The flaw? Its all-in-one dock only handles dust. The mopping, while effective, is often a separate unit or a less integrated system compared to the true combo robots on our list, which feels a little dated in 2026. Avoiding disasters is one thing, but what about actively deep cleaning your floors until they sparkle? That brings us to our number 3, the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. Ecovacs has gone all in on mopping, and it shows. This robot doesn't just drag a wet cloth around. It uses 2 spinning mop pads that scrub your floors with pressure, and the Omni station washes them with hot water and dries them with heated air to prevent mildew. It's a true deep cleaning system. The Deebot X11 Omni is for the person with mostly hard floors who is obsessed with cleanliness. If you want that satisfying, barefoot on a clean floor feeling every single day, this is your machine. The honest flaw, however, is that its object avoidance can be a little too cautious. It sometimes gives small, harmless objects a wider berth than necessary, which can lead to small unclean patches right around chair legs or toys. Having a specialist for mopping is great, but for some of us, it's all about raw, unfiltered power and features for the price. If you want the highest specs on paper and a robot that attacks dirt with a vengeance, you need to see our number 2 pick, the DreameL10s Ultra. Dreame has packed this thing to the gills. We're talking monstrous suction power, a mop that automatically lifts high on carpets, and a dock that does everything: empties dust, washes and dries the mops, and refills the water tank. It's the complete, automated package. This robot is for the tech enthusiast who wants the most bang for their buck and loves diving into settings to customize everything. It is a feature-packed beast that competes with robots costing hundreds more. The single honest flaw is that the app, while incredibly powerful, can feel a little less polished and intuitive than its main competitor. It's fully functional, but it doesn't have quite the same seamless user experience. And that brings us to the number 1 best budget high-end robot vacuum of 2026. Dreame gives you incredible power, but what if you could have all that power, plus a smarter brain and a more polished, seamless experience from the moment you open the box? That is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This robot is the total package. It uses dual rubber brushes that resist hair tangles, its Vibrorise mopping system scrubs floors and lifts completely off the carpet, and its obstacle avoidance is second only to Roomba. But the real star is the Roborock Ultra. It not only washes the mop with warm water and dries it with heated air, but its drying system is engineered to be faster and more thorough than anything else on the market. This robot is for the person who wants the best all-around performer and is willing to pay a small premium for a flawless, set-it-and-forget-it experience. Its only flaw? It is the most expensive robot on this budget list. But the performance and reliability it delivers make it the best value in the entire high-end space. It's the one to beat. So there you have it, the best high-end robot vacuums that give you premium features without the insane premium price. To get the absolute latest, up-to-the-minute pricing on every single one of these robots, I've put direct links for you down below. Check the pinned comment and the description for the best prices right now.